Say hi, Bree. Say hi. I'm going to give Brianna her medicine. See how she does with it. Are you going to be a good girl and take your medicine? Here. Here. You don't like it? Here, have some more. Have some more. Have some more. Hold on 1 second. Have some more. You don't want any more? Here, but you have to finish it. You have to finish it, Bree. Stop spitting it out. Here, let's try it again. Here, ready? Here. Which way does this go? This way. Here you go. Come on. Come on. You're dropping it. Come on. You gotta take it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Brianna. Come on, take it. Look at that face. Oh, you don't like that. Come on. It's not that bad. Somebody says it's not that bad, Bree. You're exaggerating. You're exaggerating. I think you're exaggerating. Let's try it again. Ready? Ready? Here. Here. Is it that bad? Is it that bad? Try it again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, I guess you don't want no more. All right. All done. All done.